Hey, thanks for taking a peek. We're going to walk around the Geodesic dome here and take a look at the quick heating system that we're using, especially in the wintertime. This is a Black & Decker heating and air machine. It's actually portable. It's to the right of the door when you come in. When it gets below 50 degrees, it just doesn't heat very well. So we have these other space heaters that do a very good job of keeping the place nice and warm and toasty. We have one right here. It's plugged into the same outlet as this Black & Decker machine, so you can't use both at the same time. So when it gets cooler out, make sure you use the Govee space heater. Over here in the far corner, we also have another Govee space heater, also connected to these outlets behind the bed. It's on a different circuit, so you can run them both at the same time. All of these lights here, the lamp as well as the two lights on either side of the bed, all work on this light switch, which is immediately to the right of the door if you're exiting the place. Cut that light switch down and you'll see the lights go off. Cut that light switch on and voila, lights come on. Thanks for watching. As always, enjoy the view.